If you're planning to visit Pokémon Cafe Tokyo in spring 2026, here's an important update. Pokémon Cafe Tokyo, located in Nihonbashi, will temporarily close due to renovation. This is the official Pokémon Cafe website. On February 9, 2026, an announcement regarding a temporary closure was published. As of February 9, this information was not yet available in English, so I will summarize the Japanese announcement for you. Here are the key points. First, the closure period is scheduled from March 23, 2026 until late June. Second, the exact reopening date has not yet been confirmed. Third, the Osaka location in Shinsaibashi will remain open as usual. If you're planning to visit between March 23rd and late June, you may want to consider visiting the Osaka location instead. I also have videos introducing the Osaka Cafe and explaining how to make a reservation, so feel free to check them out if you're interested. While planning your trip to Japan, I recommend checking the official website in advance. I will share another update on this channel once the reopening date is announced. On this channel, I share updates about Pokémon Cafe, Kirby Cafe, and usual travel information about Japan. If this information was helpful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.